morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Today's a little bit of deja vu, but I'll get to that in a moment. Last night we had some fun and had a meal that I was craving and really looking forward to, and that was build your own taco salad. Prep was it was easy. Chop this, open that, rinse this, it was, get it out in bowls. The only thing I had to cook was the meat. Yes. It was fun. Great. Robin we had plenty of leftovers that Robin is taking taco salad for lunch today. So yeah, bonus. Since I didn't cook what I was supposed to cook on Saturday, I'm cooking it today. And that is the chicken ricotta meatballs with a marinara sauce over a little bit of pasta. So yeah. And today, I got an order for my Greek blend, my seafood seasoning, and Saison Completia from a wonderful friend of mine and customer. So let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Yes. Again, it's deja vu. Ground chicken. And of course, the ground chicken meatballs are going to have some Italian-style breadcrumbs, ricotta cheese, which is whole milk, some Parmesan, egg, basil, oregano, salt, pepper. The sauce, it's kind of basically a fresh sauce. It's come from a can, but I'm using Cento. They're using their tomato puree. This will also have some basil, oregano, salt, pepper, possibly a little bit of sugar, depending on the acidity of the Cento. Diced yellow onion. Possible some red chili pepper flakes and some parsley. And I'm switching the pasta out to mini penne. It was on sale at Bel Air yesterday, and we like the penne. It's a fun pasta. And we'll have some wonderful fresh basil for garnish. And today is garlic day. Yeah. So, a lot going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Yeah. So, on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.